Have you ever wondered what it would be like to hit a baseball on the moon? No familiar gravity, no air resistance, just you, the ball, and a dusty silver gray surface beneath your feet. Welcome to a baseball field like no other. Imagine this, you're standing on the moon's surface, gripping your bat tightly. Around you is the vastness of space, stars glittering endlessly, and the blue-green earth floating in the distance. The gravity here? It's only 1/6 of what you're used to back on Earth. That means every movement feels lighter, slower, almost otherworldly. When the ball is pitched, it doesn't streak toward you at full speed like it would on Earth. Instead, it floats, almost gracefully, daring you to swing with everything you've got. And when your bat connects with the ball, boom! The impact doesn't just echo in the silence, it sends the ball flying with a force that feels limitless. On the moon, there's no air to slow the ball down. That means no drag, no resistance, just pure, unfiltered motion. A powerful swing could send the ball so far, you might never see it land again. In fact, your hit might just leave the moon entirely, escaping its weak gravity and launching into the vastness of space. A true home run, but on a cosmic scale. Imagine that. The ball keeps going and going until it's just a speck lost among the stars. On the moon, a baseball hit isn't just about physics, it's about wonder. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we think is possible. On the moon, every swing is a reminder of our limitless potential. A baseball hit here isn't just a game, it's a symbol of humanity's dream to go beyond, to explore the unknown. So now, let me ask you, are you ready to pick up the bat and take your own swing at the universe?